feet early Saturday afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage Sunday morning to 12.9 feet and begin rising again Sunday morning. It will rise above flood stage again early Sunday afternoon and continue to rise to 13.2 feet Monday evening. It will then fall below flood stage again early Tuesday afternoon. Impact at 13.0 feet. Low land flooding will occur along the river. The flood waters may affect some residential property as water backs up into the drainage ditches in the city. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 13.3 feet on December 30th, 1997.